everyone, I'm Anika and welcome back to Ananda, your blissful path to health and wellness. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more amazing health tips and wellness guidance. In our last video, we shared some simple and effective tips to boost your immunity during the monsoon season. If you haven't checked it out yet, the link is in the description below. Today, we are diving into another crucial topic, mental health awareness during the monsoon season. So, grab your favorite warm drink and let's get started. Mental well being is as crucial as physical health, especially during the monsoon season when the gloomy weather can affect your mood. Today, we have a special guest, Dr. Latika, a seasoned homeopath with extensive experience in managing cases of depression, anxiety, OCD, and more. Let's go over to Dr. Latika's clinic. Welcome, Dr. Latika. We are thrilled to have you with us.
Hi Anaka, so nice to be here with you.
Let's dive into our discussion on mental well being during the monsoon season.
Sure. Monsoon mental health is a very important topic, although it's not very well taken care of usually. But usually people come up with symptoms like irritability, low mood, no interest in doing work, increased or decreased sleep, or maybe increased and decreased appetites. These are usually very well related to monsoons and even other seasons where we see very poor lights, natural light, that is sunlight. During the monsoons, especially in Mumbai, where we have very severe monsoons where we don't see lights for consecutive days, almost 6 to 7 days in a row, you get to see such symptoms very prominently, although may not be true for most of the population, but it's also there in many people, most commonly in women as compared to men. So, and also it is common in people who are prone to mental health issues. So, people who have had mental health issues earlier will have their symptoms will increase during this season because of the climate changes. So what happens when during monsoon season is that we don't have a good source of light. As a result, the levels of serotonin go down, and we are prone to such kind of mood changes. So if there is low exposure to sunlight, consecutively low vitamin D, we will have a low mood, which is similar to something known as seasonal affective disorder. Okay, also known as SAD, SAD, seasonal affective disorder, which is very common usually in winters, but also in monsoons because in Mumbai because we have a very prolonged rainy season and prolonged low light period during winter.
How can we combat these issues?
What we can do is we can have a source of good light at home itself. That is one thing that will also help in improving the mood, and it will also reduce the secretion of melatonin. It's a primary thing that can be done. Other things that we can do is maintaining a very healthy lifestyle. We have a lifestyle where we maintain a discipline, a set of routine where we know that we are supposed to do this, so by default we fall into a routine and we do those things, and we are not lethargic, we are not procrastinating things, we are not delaying things that we are supposed to do. Even basic things like bathing, brushing, getting up on time are what improve the mental health. So apart from this, we can also get into regular exercises. So we have yoga, we have mindfulness, we have meditation, we have aromatherapies, we have music therapy, dance therapy. There are n number of therapies that are available, which we can do as a adjuvant therapy. So maintaining a set routine, having a good diet is what also helps in combating these issues. So that is very essential. Apart from that, meeting people, because staying alone, staying in one room, not meeting people, not communicating also affects your health. human beings are known to be social beings, right? So communication is very essential to maintain your mental health. Okay. Apart from SAD, there are other complaints like anxiety and people who have faced deluges earlier, like have not coped up with your past issues or past experiences. So repeated experiences of rains, even the slightest rains can cause anxiety. So how to deal with them is very necessary. How you expose yourself again to the situation and deal with it healthy. If people are not able to deal with it, then we all always suggest that you go for professional help like psychotherapy or since I am homeopath, I always suggest that you go for homeopathy. Homeopathy is definitely good for mental health issues because you can deal with it at a very early stage with no need to take it for a very prolonged period and good results.
So, Dr. Latika, many people like monsoon season and many don't like it also. So, what are your views for this?
So monsoon season can also have its positive side because it is very pleasing to your senses in many different ways. For example, the sounds of rain drops itself is very soothing because of its rhythmicity, and it tends to drown the other noise that is around. So you like people who like to listen to rhythmical sound will love the rain sounds. There is also the cool weather, there is also the smell, and also there's greenery. So the rains not only affect one sense, they affect all your senses in the positive manner as well. So if you have negative aspect, you also have very good positive aspects of the rainy season. So people who like the rainy season will also it will prove to be therapeutic rather than negatively affecting people. So, of course, there are two sides of coin for everything.
Those are great tips. Thank you so much, Dr. Latika, for sharing your valuable insights and tips on nurturing mental well being during the monsoon season. For consultation with Dr. Latika, details are flashing on the screen. To all the viewers, I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Ananda, which will motivate me to come up with more such good content. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for our next video on indoor yoga retreat, where we will explore relaxing yoga exercises perfect for the rainy season. Thank you for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy the monsoon. Bye bye.